Alright, first and foremost, y'all need to see how freaking cool this wallpaper engine is, okay? Alright, here we freaking go. Okay, I'm just winging this. I don't know all the buttons by heart yet, but it's gonna sound cool as hell no matter what. I mean, there's a few like, but you'll see. This is freaking cool. So blue on this left side is like all the drums and such, so, like the bass part. Middle seems to be a lot of more vocal stuff. Red, I don't even know what red is, but it's like another additional thing to add on. We're just gonna start with a random drum. Okay. I'm just gonna choose random. Here we go. Red. Ooh, this is cool. Alright, so there's obviously like 1,000 more well, not 1,000 more combinations, but a lot more combinations. This is pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't own any of the music. This is here's something cool. So go buy Wallpaper Engine on Steam if you want cool stuff like this. There's not really like that many crazy things that I found like this. This one's by far one of the coolest, but there's some really good stuff on there. A lot of animes, TV shows, video games, blah 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 blah. You'll find it. Peace.